Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2004 Toyota RAV4 stock number 6638. This ran from the 7th 2003 to the 10th 2005. It has a 2A ZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a full-speed automatic transmission. This is a 2A ZFE 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front car 2 dents, left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 16-inch factory 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, loose glass and 1 dent, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left rear door no dents, left front 16-inch steel wheel good tyre, left front door card, left front master switch, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,